So, Samsung is now reselling the Z Fold 5, but renewed version. So, they're starting a new renewed version of older Samsung foldable phones. And today we got the Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5, which will be starting off this series of brand new phones that, or I guess renewed phones, that are being relisted by Samsung on their official website. So the Z Flip 5 is for 256 gigabyte, it's $649. For the 512 gigabyte model, you can see right here it's $700. For the Z Fold 5, for 256, it's $1169, and for a 512 gigabyte model, it's $1219. Now, this is arguably very stupid if you buy this. Just saying, because the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold right now is on Amazon for $1,200. So if you buy the $1219 version of this, it makes no logical sense. You could get a brand new Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which in my opinion is one of the best foldable phones on the planet right now, and it's literally the same price. And instead of getting this phone, which is going to be, renewed, obviously. Now, Samsung really hasn't done this with the foldable phones before, so we don't really know what renewed means. I mean, it could literally just mean that they're taking in trade-ins and now they're selling the trade-ins, which we don't know how well the actual body is going to be of the phone, how well the inside display will be, what's the warranty on the inside display. Like, there's a whole bunch of questions that you should probably just get the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold at that point, because you're getting a brand new device and you're going to be happy with it. So it says right here, you do get the phone, you get everything you would get with a new device. Yeah, I mean, you can also trade in to get it if you would like to. So if you're like, hey, I want to trade in my, old cell phone. Let's say I want to trade in Samsung's. Okay, so you can't trade in anything higher or lower than than S24 Ultra. So you can't. Wait, can I trade in the Z Fold 5? You cannot trade in the Z Fold 5. The highest you can trade in the Z Fold 3, which you do get $148 for. I don't know. Like, this is not a bad concept or idea, but charging this amount of money for this, I think, is ridiculous. Like, this phone is now at a point where, it's 2.5 years old. Again, renewed, but, I know. At this point, it just doesn't make logical sense when you can get other foldable cell phones like the Pixel series for cheaper. You could honestly even go on eBay and get the Z Fold 5 for way cheaper than this. Z Fold 5 right now on eBay is selling for around $500-$600. Z Fold 6 is selling for right around $1,100-$1,200. Like, this is the asking price on the secondhand market for the Z Fold 6. So you're pretty much, in theory, paying the asking price for the Z Fold 6 for the Z Fold 5 here, and you don't even get images of what it's going to look like. So it could have dents, scratches, whatever. Renewed is a very blanketed term. A lot of different companies have used the term renewed. Doesn't always mean good. Doesn't always mean great. So I recommend not going with this process, but if you really want a Z Fold 5 and you're like, hey, I don't want to buy it from secondhand markets, I guess this is option available. See you guys in the next one.